keep up there. Okay, I think I need to move a little farther back. This would work. Alright, so so this is the continuation of what we did before. The previous video that we had was starting on the A, low A down here. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1 in terms of scale degrees, okay? So that way we know where the 1 is, we know where the 3 is, we know where the 5 is, we know where the, again, and the 3 back to the 1. Alright, and then what we wanted to do today was add 2 more notes to this, so we would have the complete boogie woogie, if you will, type of a bass line. And it'll really work out your index finger and your pinky, won't it? Yep, and so here's the 1, 3, the 5 on the 3rd string, or the A string. Then we're going to move up to the D string. Play those 2 notes on the D string. Okay. And if we need to know, this is a G flat. Am I right here? Yep, G flat. Okay, and or called F sharp, because here's the F. So we got, and that spread right there. We're going to take those same frets and we're going to move it down to the next string, physically down, but pitch-wise up. And those will be our next 2 notes we're adding, and then we're going to come back down. So this is what we're after. I'm going to play it now all the way up and all the way down, and I'm going to play it first. I'm going to play it up to speed so you can hear what we're after. This is the sound we're after. Again. And I want you to keep doing rest stroke on this. Obviously, there's no place to rest on the low E string, but the rest of the strings, I want you to try to do the rest stroke on them. So that means, no rest there really, but here you can start resting up against this. Alright, so now I'm going to play them really slowly so you can join me when you do this video. Because I know you can do the first 3, we did those. There's the A note, which is the 1st degree of the scale. Here's the 3rd degree of the scale. Rest stroke up against with the right hand. And then we're playing that note there, and then we're going to go up to the pinky and play this note also with the right hand rest stroke. Alright. Then we're going to go up to the next note, which is back to the index finger. Now you see on the 2nd string, or the D string at the 4th fret, that it's the same kind of stretch or leap, as it were, up to with the pinky up to the 7th fret as it was on the lower string. Then we're going to go back down. Pinky index. Now again, pinky index. Then back to the 1. So I'm going to play it real slowly. There's the 1st note. That's the 2nd note. Notice my rest stroke with my right hand. That's the 3rd note, the 5th scale degree. Back to the index finger there, so you have to kind of jump back there and then back to the pinky. Alright, one more time I'll do it. are from our previous lesson. Now we're going to add, again, these two notes are the ones we added. The next highest string, pitch-wise. I'm going to start slowly speeding it up so you'll hear it. You don't have to try to play with me. Sometimes you'll hear it played like this. Each string played twice. Alright, so that's what we're after. That's that little spread there, and I'm going to tab it out for you too, like I did before with just the first three. Alright.